I'm Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation, and this is a look at my Copper Tone sunscreen lotion for kids. So this is my favorite of the kind of goop style sunblocks, not the sprays or sticks. And I like it because it's SPF 70, so it's quite good sun protection. And feels very mild, so it's easy to put on for your kid. It doesn't have a lot of strong smells to it or anything, and it will stay on even in the water. So if you're wearing this at the beach, if you're wearing it to the pool, it's a really good sunblock to use for that purpose. So here's our ingredient list on the back. You can see what it's got in it here. And again, water resistant, 80 minutes, and it is broad spectrum, so UVA and UVB protection. It's free of, let's see if I can pronounce that, octenzate, I'm not sure how to say that, but dyes and PAPA. So it's not going to have, again, any of those kinds of dyes to give it a color. So let's pop it open, grab a little bit of this, give it a squeeze. Okay, there we go. You can see it's just that nice white color, and you can apply it really easily, rubs in really easily. So any kind of exposed skin, beach, pool, anything like that. Just kind of a classic sunblock. And again, I think this works really well for kids especially, but you can use it as a big person as well. So that's the Copper Tone sunscreen lotion. Lid snaps on pretty tight. Throw this in your diaper bag and you're good to go.